Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. My name is Nick, and this is the place to be for everything landscape photography. Today, I'm going over my best waterfall shutter speed setting to get a photo like that. Let's roll that intro. Alright guys, welcome. Alright, so we are talking about waterfall photos and how to get your waterfall to look like that. But before we get into that, if you could please go down below, hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, hit that little bell notification. It'll help me out and it'll let you guys know when I upload my next video. Also, follow me on social media, Instagram, Facebook, Twitter, all that good stuff. And my website, www.nicktaylorphotography.ca. Links are in the description below. All right, let's get into this. So how did I get this photo? How did I get the water to look all smooth coming down? How did I get the water to look super silky and smooth on this photo? You just have to drag out your shutter, or a long exposure, I guess you could call it. A couple things you'll need is you'll need a ND filter or a variable ND, kind of like how I showed you guys in my previous video, the essential landscape photography gear. I'll link to here or here. I think it's over here. Just click that card and it'll direct you to that video. The other setting was I kept my ISO super low. I think I only had it at 80 or 100. My aperture, I think, was around that 8 to 10 mark. And my shutter speed, I believe, was 10 to 12 seconds. And that's the reason why you need an ND filter or a variable ND filter. Think of the ND filter as sunglasses for your lens. If you're letting a super amount or a super big amount of light into your camera, your photos obviously are just going to be blown out. So again, yeah, think of your ND filters or your variable ND filters like sunglasses for your lens. Instead of going like this and trying to figure out, much better. You can let a little bit more light in and your photo will be looking like that. So drag out your shutter. That is how I did that. So yeah, that's pretty much it. How I got this photo is a 10 to 12 second shutter speed that will introduce enough motion blur into the water so it'll look super silky and smooth instead of just freezing it in time. Keep your aperture at around that 8 to 10 mark. Keep your ISO super low, and make sure you throw your sunglasses on your camera. Alright guys, I think that wraps it up for today. Hopefully, I think I'm starting to get good at this, keeping these videos under the 5-minute mark. We'll see. So once again, hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, hit that little bell notification. It'll let you know when I upload my next video. And follow me on social media. Check out my website, Instagram, Facebook, Twitter, www.nicktaylorphotography.ca. All that good stuff. Links are in the description below. Anyways, I think we'll leave it at that. We'll wrap it up, and we'll see you in the next one. Peace.